This month at Jomablue, we're helping event teams gain more control, clarity, and confidence with updates that make managing multi-day events faster, easier, and more precise. Spend less time formatting reports and more time engaging your audience. Advanced search takes Explore People to the next level, giving you full control over your exports. Select exactly which data points to include, drag columns left or right to reorder them, and download a data set that preserves this layout every time. Advanced search also supports Excel exports via XLSX files, allowing you to customize output file names and add additional data columns to enrich reporting. Saved presets generate shareable direct links for your team, and permissions are handled automatically. Anyone without Explore People rights won't see advanced search. Next, per day interaction tracking gives you a clear picture of attendee engagement. When event day interactions are enabled, a new table appears on each person record below custom fields, showing whether someone attended each day, along with any related key value data. This table's data is available for export in a clean, consistent format, enabling the wider team to derive actionable insights into attendee engagement and traffic flow. Finally, the vendor portal is smarter than ever. In the New Tags tab, vendors now see AI-generated tag suggestions that can be added with a single click. This makes tagging faster, more consistent, and easier to manage across teams, ensuring your data stays clean and actionable for every event. Give your team smarter tools, more accessible reporting, and faster ways to take action. To learn more, visit us at jomablue.com.